What's going on, guys? For another episode of Infinity Boss building his engine VQ, forged pistons and rod. So the update is we're dropping in 3 more piston rods. Our clearance has been checked and everything. Everything seems okay. Not seems, everything is okay. And here we are. Yeah, so this is where we are right now. So we have 3 more to install, which I'm going to do right now while I'm having the camera. So let me just sort this out. Alright, so this bang 2 I sort out. Or that's it. Alright, that is it. Put back up pin in this. Alright. So now I'll set the camera now because I don't know. I can't hold this. So I can, perfect. That seems perfect. So I need to go higher. Yeah. And go wider. Yeah, that is it. So we're going to do now, we have a ring gap. We have a ring gap. And we use the ring filer. So we know we need already feed gap. So for the lower ring, aka the bottom ring, 28 thou and 26 thou on the top ring. So I'm gonna start with the bottom ring first. So I'm gonna do measurements. Hopefully this will show right. So I'm gonna do measurements, feeler gauge, and see what we're doing. So I'm going to work with the bottom ring first because that's the way we install first. The expander ring and the expander and the oil rings, them already installed, orientated already. So this is where it will go. The crown will go up to so what here, so that clock there, so that clock there, so. Okay, and we have the bottle here already. I forgot to look for that. Alright, so I'm going to file them here. We'll start with some clocking. So I use the stock piston because it's flat. That's when the flat will go higher on the compression. So we need 28. So I work with 28 and 26. How we get a ring gap? Basically the bore inch multiplied by the application when YC could use. So we're going to run medium boost, 15 to 20 pound of boost. So we're going to choose this. So ring gap factor multiply per inch of bore, so then get tap on the second ring and you do it by 0070, 0073 for the second ring and 0070 for the top ring. You multiply that by the bore size in inches and you get a ring gap there. So that is where we do for the 3 of them so far, and we do it with this. So now we have factor 28. Alright, so we got a lot of filing to be done. Alright, so we're going to file away. Alright. So I'll go back again and see if we're reaching away. Nice, not bad. That was nice and easy. Alright, so we can install so we can now install the compression ring, second one. Yeah, you can't careful with these because you know when them broke a judgment. Yeah, but right, if you have the tool still, but the tool they annoy me right now. Be jump with a jump to after me so. Yeah, you know we can install the way you want to be careful, you know what you do. It can be installed just like this, alright? No damage. And there it is. And these things, you can't mess it up because the instructions are here as long as you can read and follow instructions. So we're facing the engine, where the piston face out. So as you can see, so the lower ring is to be on this side, and the top ring on this side, and the oil rail rings them on this side, 90 degrees from each other, and the expander on this side right here. And that's it. And the instructions are there, very clear. So you can clock the rings them this way. And now ready for the top ring. So the top ring now. Oh, and another thing. So we need 26 for the top ring. Alright, 26 though. So we need to see how it. And then we measure it basically 1 inch from the top. So 1 inch down. Yeah. I need a gimbal thing to move with it when you do the thing. I need one. I really need one of them thing there. Alright guys, so have we 26 thousandths of an inch gap on the top ring. So we'll install it. We'll install it. Oh. Alright, so the expander ring is, where is it? I think I have to find it now. Where is this? Oh, there it is. So the expander ring butted gap, yeah, it's right here. It should be straight still. It doesn't really matter as long as it's right here. Bottom ring 90 degree right here. Top ring is gonna go right here. The the aisle rail now, the top one, 90 degree here, and next one from it here. That's it. That's how it go orientated. Very easy. I'm gonna put on this one now, which is quite easy also. You read no, you don't need no. Oh, facing up. It have a mark on it. Yeah, it have a mark on it because it have some stuff at the edge. So I'm gonna put this on now. So very easy. So now if you broke the ring, okay, let's take time come down. Just like that. And there it is. Yeah. So we're gonna install this now. Let me just untalk this. I'm gonna pause this. Alright guys. So we'll put some lube on this, assembly lube. And then now you can insert it into a piston. And then we can just push it up. Just like that. And then if you wind up, flip it. Push up and the ground shot on. Put some lube on the journal itself. So push that on the now. Then you can get the cap. Make sure the cap is squeaky clean. And you apply some lube. You know, lube. Yeah. And then install it in orientation it's supposed to go. You can mix this up. That's it. So we'll apply some ERP lubricant on this. This engine is extra clean, like squeaky clean. Clean up like about 5 times. Literally, that you don't know. Cleaner the engine be better, is it? So we got 4 pistons and 2 more to go. So we'll use a torque wrench on, digital one. It's already set to 43 foot-pound, so we're going to give 20 first and then we give 40. So you're not going to hear a noise on the 20 because I just set it at 40, and when I see 20 pop up, I just stop, and then I go again and go to the extra 20, 23. So now we're at 15, 18, 19, 20. 20. Now you go hear it now. Hear it. That is it. And you're done. Just like that. You ready? Loose in it. That's the clearance. Loose. And play. So you know, so we two tongue that. That is it. So flip over now. Yeah, physically finish with the end now. You don't know we're gonna need a 90, but that's it guys. So I'm gonna install another two of them and then put on the head gasket, and then we can get the L19s them on and then we'll boogie. Yeah folks, some paper infinity will basically done. Why? It's hard for video man. Cause I just work. It's hard for video. So I'm gonna put on the next side now. Hard to video. Tell you the truth. Really hard to video. Make a nice little clip. So at least something can get for post. People must say, oh, we now post none. So. Alright, so basically done, I just cover for go on next. So when I go screw them down here. As much as we can. This engine is finally over. Done. Honestly, the reason why this take long is because parts them take long. So once the parts them reach, you basically don't need no time. What next bolt to hide? One more bolt to hide somewhere. I found it. Alright, so let's use this to draw down the bolt and then we talk it down with the one handed because it's a top when I would bust these in the house there now. That is it. And then just put on the VVL there. leaving it on for the time being. No concrete, nothing. So with a VVL boat the drop. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I'll go far, bro. Alright, let's leave it like this just in case. This is for yourself. I'm going to mix up this. Not at all. So here. I'm scotch here. These are way catch what this is. Catch what NVIDIA. So I need that tool so we can calibrate it. We have to lock the cam. Then calibrate it. But for now, I'll just catch it. Just let me know when I mix up. So now, put one of them here, so you mix up. So we love it so for now. Over there now, so I top them down. Where is my we need the towers then. Go by the back of this thing here. Yeah folks, we're done. Just put on the main cover, the rear cover, and then put on the front cover after my time and everything, and done. Engine is ready. So when I put it in the car, I'm put it in the car when I organize the wire loom. I have to wire up the engine because they are a bit different. So I buy a fresh wire loom, I wire up the whole engine bay. I run the fuel line back again. So after I start up them, I clean and nice, and I just drop in the engine and ready to go. So I'm find time this week, I deal with it. Get the engine in this week. But you know, this is what happened when I don't rush it, and yeah, I think come out nice. Why try to be video things some of the time then, but may I tell you, just so excited for start engine and big brother. Most I think them miss out pan, but we catch a few when me do the bearings clearance and the rod clearance then. Catch them, which is most important. When me that talk them, my wife catch few of them too. Not long video. Alright. So that do. Yeah, fully talked done. So we're ready for do the next tower. Engine get heavy now. Engine get heavy now. Two of these. And so these guys need RTV. And them are different, so one neck figure. I think this one go over here. This one. This one right, this one. One neck figure this one. The other one neck figure here, so. So silicone band is that one. The cover we done. Silicone. So alright guys, so basically done the engine. I'll just pause the video and skip further forward after me install these. Yeah, because I don't make it too boring, you know. Yeah folks, so I'm going to put on the back cover. For rug get some RTV. Yeah. Basically done here now, so I'm going to set the time and everything. And I hit that. Done. You have no idea how excited I am. Alright. short about. There is a bolt missing. Oh, found it. Geeta did hiding bolt. My wife. Wait, so now I'm gonna run through it with my hand. Make sure it's everything firm up and nice, not too loose. I don't want to miss. Yep. Huh? What do you mean? Don't it. Listen. Tawaro? Awak saya lagi? Ah. Good thing tak ada orang main hantar. Going bad still, no, right? Some of them then got to let it loose. Yeah, can put on my camera gear them now. We are finished, bro. We gonna set the timing right now. We gonna set that timing right now. Watch her laugh, cock up in my face. Watch her. Done, bro. Done, bro. Alright, so right side. So we say right side. Right side this. So we don't know how they work already. I forgot to turn the camera. Yeah, what you say? What, the engine? You mean? No. You mean one from outside engine? Yeah. Yeah, by far. Dead center, right this one. You put up dead center. That's a blunder, guys. Give this a spray up, keep it clean. A nice mercury on the prick, you know? Back to over there now. So now we can install this nice and easy. Oh crap. Can I install this? That's my tension. Sorry guys, I forgot. I got the tensioner. Yeah, so I put on them there. Yeah, can't let no chase. So now when I go underneath, I will actually need a pin. So then stay on. Oh my goodness. I forgot. So you can go in under like this neatly. Alright, I'm gonna skip that video to me just find out the part because it's too long. Hold on. Alright, so Basically, I set the timing now. Too much of them. Basically, I set the timing now. This is how it's set. Have some look a double hole looking like, you know, and two stripe, two little small double hole, sorry. You see me? So, this is the back line up. See it? Yeah. Alright. We do have a pin right now, so catch me if I can catch this in a neat way. Yeah, man. So, we do have a pin right now. You can catch it still. Catch it same here, man. So skill maybe. Can't find a pin, can't believe it. Yes. Scared. Ba-la-la-la, ba-la-la-la, ba-la-la-la. TDC. From down this up, this up. Can I put on my belt now? I'm ready. Check me 3 minutes without a pin. Not a pin now. Fully line up. That is it. Oh. Time? 10 o'clock?
Yep.
Oh, not too long. Alright, so now we have a timing chain, which are the easiest thing. You understand? So see timing marks in there. Easy 1, 2. Alright, there they are. So we can move this up. Move this up. Come around and the pump. And then here, how do I get it? Oh, I found it. So I give me a last. This is it. See me around by and like. Oh, never want to move in it. Move! You need something to stop this. Need this gear to go on, you know? Lube up this one first. Then you know, gear you're going like say, down on stained. Lube it up so it slide on, you know? Good, so it's like grease it up. That's it. What's that going to say? Which means I know. And that's our timing. Right there. So catch your timing now and if you catch your tension up. Alright. Alright. Look up the video because I can't find intention about them. I have to look for them 210. Them 210 I have to. Yeah guys, so we are done. The engine is complete. Yeah, just the valve covers. Yeah man, there you go, timing already set and everything. Nice. Nice.